Welcome everyone to our channel, where we dive into useful travel app tips to make your booking smoother. Today, we're going to show you how to set your flight preferences in the Travelocity app, so you always get the seat and assistance. First, open the Travelocity app on your phone. Next, look at the bottom of your screen and tap on the account icon located at the bottom right corner. Then, within your account area, locate the Flight Preferences option and tap it to open the Preferences screen. After that, choose your preferred seat. You can select between window or aisle, depending on what you like. Then, if you require special assistance due to mobility needs or other requirements, select that option as well. Finally, tap the Save button so that your preferences are recorded and will apply to your future flight bookings. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to the channel, give the video a like, and share it with others who might benefit. Thanks for watching.